Okay. In a simple form, we just bring all the three minds inwards. The senses, we move them inwards. We connect internally to the source, to the universe. Then through our soul star chakra, connect with our trio sphere and the trisphere. State our manifestation. Hold that. And then come back out. That will become our second nature. Let's sit or lie down in a nice, relaxed way where the energy is just not obstructed. We just hold our hands together to avoid leaking energy from the hands, because the energy of, the orbit that comes, energy can come to the back of the heart, to the hands, and then flow out. So we just hold the hands together like this, right? So that energy just goes back into the body. We really close it in. That's pretty much it. Feet touching the ground, or perineum touching the ground if you're sitting in a lotus position. So the grounding is important. And inhale from the abdomen. Put your hands on your navel for a moment. And take a deep breath and feel your tummy just expanding, not the chest, in a very relaxed way. Touch the tip of the tongue, the roof of the mouth, and relax, and that completes the flow. All right, so take a couple of deep breaths and just inhale, navel, and the tummy just expanding. Exhale, and just empty that. Inhale, and exhale. Just feel the breath deeper and fuller. And connect with your navel center, or the sacred womb, if you're female, and feel the energy there. When the breath is full and deep, bring your awareness to your eyes. Just feel your eyes while the eyes are closed. Relax your eyes. Just feel them getting soft. And turn the eyes inwards as if you're looking inside of your head. And then start lowering your eyes down and feel that your eyes are starting to move lower and lower, all the way until it reaches your navel. Now feel the presence of your eyes in your navel, how that will feel like. What will you see from that perspective if you're looking from the navel? And just spend a couple of minutes experiencing that. Now bring your awareness to your ears. Relax your ears. Then turn your ears inwards and down until it reaches your navel. Feel the presence of your ears in your navel. Feel the difference in the sounds now. Bring your awareness to your tongue. Relax your tongue. And turn your tongue inwards and down, down, until it reaches your navel. And feel the presence of your tongue in your navel. Now relax. Feel the eyes, ears, and tongue settled in the navel. Just feel how different that feels now. Now take a full and deep breath one more time. And bring your awareness to your brain. Feel your mind. Notice how comfortable and calm it has become. how the thoughts now have stabilized and became calmer. And slowly, with your intent, command your mind to slowly start going lower, lower, lower until it reaches your navel. Feel the presence of your mind in your navel. Feel how different that feels now for the thoughts. Feel the warmth, the acceptance, and peace. Feel how all that is present in the navel. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Feel your heartbeat and observe any emotions you may be feeling. And listen to these emotions and assure yourself that it's okay to feel them. It is safe now. And when the heart is calm, with your intent, command your heart to flow down, lower and lower, and feel your heart merging at the navel, with the navel. Feel the presence of the heart and mind now in the navel. Now feel the warmth, feel acceptance, and feel the peace as it is always present there. Now that we're connected internally, heart, mind, through the center, the navel, we go internally and connect with our core through our navel. And connect directly with the source, with the universe, with God from the navel. Direct connection. This is the source of life. This is where our life entered into this world. That is the most safe and secure connection with the universe without any interruption. Feel it like a glow, like a star within. Feel the strong connection with the source of creation. Feel your feet or your perineum still connected with the earth, but maintain this inner connection. Continue feeling a dimensional link with all the versions of reality that exist, all the potential different realities that could happen. Feel a connection with them. Because we can decide anything and we can manifest anything. So just connect with all the dimensional probabilities that exist. All the timelines that possibly can exist. Connect with them, because it's potentially our free will choice to choose any of them or to change any of them. Just see, feel, and hear the cleansing waves of light flowing over into the earth, through the grid, and covering the whole earth. Now bring your awareness gently to your soul star, the 8th chakra, just 20 centimeters above your head. And visualize a wave of light connecting you with your trio. Get permission from your trio and allow your trio to connect with your soul star, to unite for the purpose of manifesting the intent that we agree on. We set the intent to offer our pure continuous wave of that source light, God energy within us, creation energy. We connect it through our higher self to bring an end of suffering, trauma, pain, and fear, and to replace and heal these feelings and emotions with abundance of bliss, contentment, love, and security, and to manifest that across the whole world. So the manifesting group will be holding that intent and remain holding that intent. And the energy sphere will be supporting and providing energy to manifest that intent. And the guardian sphere will be creating the focus and the proper environment, safe environment, and supportive environment without any interference and without any disruptions, so that this manifestation takes place and manifests. And we remain there a few minutes, or as long as you wish. And then, when we've completed that, we start reversing the process. So we connect with our heart in our navel, and we start raising our heart back up again until it reaches its natural place in the center. Feel it beating, feel it clear, content, and full of joy. And again, connect with the brain, the mind in the navel, the upper mind. Notice how calm it is. And now start moving it upwards all the way until it reaches its place in our head. Feel how calm, centered, and clear it is. Connect with your tongue in the navel and start raising it up and bringing it back to its place in our mouth. Connect with our ears. And again, bring our ears up all the way to its place. And finally, bring our eyes, connect with our eyes, and start moving our eyes higher and higher until it reaches its natural place in our face. And when you're ready, slowly, gently open your eyes and return back to your conscious state, feeling fully relaxed, fully energized, happy, and in the best health.